Hi, today we are doing a monthly reset. We are going through my goals and my finances for July and also setting some new goals for August. My ultimate goal in life is to have financial freedom to complete my long bucket list. That's why I'm called Long Bucket List on here. And each year and each month, I set a few goals that help me towards that helps guide me in the right direction. A little bit about me and my financial situation. If you're new here, I'm Josephine and I just turned 29 a few days ago. I live in Norway with my husband of 3 years. We've been together for 9 years and we own this house that we are currently renovating. And within this house, we are building a rental unit that will give us tax-free income for years to come. We currently own 2 cars and they are both paid off. We don't have a car loan, we have a mortgage, and I have a student loan, which I just got under 100K and I'm really happy about. We are also expecting our first child any day now, so I'm sorry, I'm a little bit out of breath of just talking, so it might be a lot of clipping in this video, but I hope you get through it. I'm currently on vacation and heading into a 10-month maternity leave, but my regular job is to be a content creator for Norway's biggest accounting system, so a truly normal corporate 9-to-5 job. I've been investing for a while, but taking this financial freedom journey very seriously for the past 2 years, I would say. So now I'm working towards creating multiple income streams, passive income streams. I've tried a lot and I'm still trying out a few things, and also having a good track on my expenses, minimalizing them, and of course invest and pay down debt. Until now I've done these quarterly resets on YouTube, but since I do this monthly on my other platforms and I also love watching monthly resets, I will now from now on start to do them monthly. So my first goal for 2025 is to save 150,000 Norwegian kroners, and in July I was able to save 12,794 kroners, which was about 28% of the money I got in, so I'm really happy about that. Most of my saving this month went to buy stocks that pay out dividends, because I want that to be kind of an income stream when I'm going on maternity leave, because there are so many rules in Norway of you can't really make an income while on maternity leave. So to be able to kind of invest a little bit more, because I'm always having this extra income from different things that I'm not going to have right now, dividends might help me invest a little more. That leaves me at 63,547 kroners in total this year. The 1st of August we were at 58%, so that means I'm a little behind. The next goal is to earn 100K on side hustles. And the results for July is actually the worst one so far this year. I made in total 1,329.59 kroners, which leaves me at 35,829.97 kroners and 36%. My biggest side hustle income is definitely UGC, and I've decided to take a break from that because when I'm this heavily pregnant, I don't feel like I have the aesthetic, first of all, and I don't have the ability to move around and do a lot of stuff without like catching my breath. I can't even talk. So I decided to take a break, and that feels very right to do so, but it sucks when you see the results of this month. Then we have our third and last finance goal of the year, and that is to pay down 20,000 kroners on my student loan. And this month I was able to pay down 751 kroners, and that leaves me at 6,602 kroners in total this year, and that leaves me at 33%. My invoice in January was at 888 kroners, and now in July it was at 857 kroners. So it's getting there. These 3 goals are dragging me in the right direction of my ultimate goal, financial freedom, and they are motivating me in different ways. Maybe I should have focused on just one so that I make sure that I reach a goal this year. These are high goals that I've set to challenge myself and to truly have something to reach for, to make me prioritize better. And it's all about improving my financial situation, and they will do that no matter what. One thing I'm hoping for in the near future is that I can get paid for my personal content creation for my channels, so that I can make content for myself. I love making content, and I do that for a living, but I would love to just do it for myself and make some money of that. So therefore I obviously have some goals within social media growth. Let's go through them. The first one is 5,000 followers on Instagram, and on the 1st of August I was on 2,951 followers. The second one is 10,000 followers on TikTok, and here I'm at 7,003. So 70% accomplished. These goals are obviously set to push myself, but also to be taken kind of seriously as a content creator. I think a lot of brands see only the following number and not the engagement, which is a little bit sad because I have really good engagement, but the followers aren't there yet. There's no creator fund available in Norway, so these numbers doesn't mean that I will get some kind of income from TikTok or Instagram. We do not get paid like that, unfortunately. Reaching these kinds of numbers on followers in Norway definitely make businesses take you more seriously. So I'm currently working on a little rebrand and also a little more structure in my content. I need that as well because I need to plan for this when this baby comes. Maybe I don't have time, or I don't want to have time. I want to be in a little bubble for some time at least, so I need to have some content ready. So I'm currently planning and making a little change and trying to grow a little faster. So we will see if my little plan works. The third one within social media and content creation is of course to be monetized on YouTube. And I have reached the requirement of subscribers here on YouTube, which I'm really, really proud and happy about. Thank you so much. Now I just need to work on the watch time. The hard thing about that, which is also the hard thing about TikTok and Instagram, is that I kind of want to create my own type of content that I like and love and that represents me. But there are so many videos about how to grow, and you need to edit that sort of way, and you need to have a hook. And I also got some feedback that I'm talking way too slowly. But remember, English is not my first language, and I need to kind of think a little bit, and I could maybe do even more cuts, but this is who I am. This is where I'm at right now, and I think I want to grow my own way. And even if that takes a lot of time, I think making content that everyone makes and just be similar to everyone else all the time, I don't think that necessarily is a great thing in the long run. So I'm here for the long run, and if I don't reach that right now, that's okay. I want to be me. Then I have some general goals. Reduce my screen time, for example. So therefore I've set to read 15 books in 2025, and I'm now at 9 books. And that means so the one book I finished in July, it's not really a book, it's a fan fiction book. Don't judge, it's actually the size of a regular book. But if you do know me, you know that I've had some serious obsession with the Akhtar books. So I read Akumaf from Ree's point of view, and it's a fan fiction. It's not written by Sarah J. Maas, but it is like, I feel like it's Sarah J. Maas, and it's really good. And you can download it for free on your Kindle. Now I'm currently reading Sarah J. Maas's other series, Throne of Glass, so I just started The Assassin's Blade. I can't wait to enjoy these books for the next 10 months. Like 8 books, it's so perfect. Then I have this digital forest through Tree Nation, where I plant trees, which is actually trees that will be planted somewhere in the world. And I have a goal of planting 100 trees this year, and I'm at 50 so far, so 50% accomplished. My small goals for July was to post 3 times on YouTube, check, and to add 2 more templates to my online store, check. So I think I will add those 2 goals for August as well, post 3 YouTube videos, and then add at least 1 template to my online store. I have 1 template almost ready. I think that is a realistic goal, but I also think that is a goal that I need to kind of push myself to reach a little bit, because this baby can come at any time and I need to kind of prep for that. So I need to do these goals actually very soon. I need to reach them like within the first 1 or 2 weeks, I think. Other than that, I'm adding to do some birth prep workouts or stretching every day. I got this fitness ball for my birthday and I actually had it on my wish list, and it's amazing. Like, it's amazing for my lower back pain, my hips, and it's just really nice to sit on. I sit on it all the time now. So I will do a lot of stretching and exercises with that, and hopefully have a really nice birth. I might have given birth in the next reset, which is crazy to think about. At the same time, I might not have a baby the next time I do a reset. We'll see. You know, we don't know. And that's the crazy thing about it. Like that, you know, you see, I have my whole life in Ocean. I like structure. I like planning. So this is the thing about being pregnant that kind of fucks with my head, because I would love to know just a little bit closer, like which week will it happen? Just give me a little estimate, you know? I guess you do have your due date as an estimate, but it's not really an estimate, because people are giving birth left and right, and before, way before, and way after the due date. So that might not be accurate, and yeah, I'm just stressing a little bit about that, but I'm trying not to stress. I'm going to be calm, and that's what these exercises are for. I'm going to be prepared, I'm going to be calm, and it's going to go very well. Now I have heartburn, and I think it's time to wrap up. I think I've gone through all of what I had for July and set some nice goals for August as well. And I'm very excited about this new month regarding if I give birth or not. It's just August. It has a great feeling to it, I think. I like August. I wish you all the best as well, and I hope you set some cool goals for August. If you want to tell me, I would love to hear them in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video.